Here are 4 interesting facts about the Grand Bazaar in Istanbul. 1. Oldest covered market. The Grand Bazaar, or Kapalı Çarşı, dates back to the 15th century and is one of the oldest covered markets in the world, built shortly after the Ottoman conquest of Constantinople in 1453. 2. Massive size. The Grand Bazaar spans over 30,000 square meters with around 4,000 shops selling everything from jewelry and textiles to spices and ceramics. 3. Labyrinth of streets. With more than 60 interconnected streets inside, it's easy to get lost in the maze-like design of the market. Many visitors enjoy wandering without a set plan. 4. Daily visitors. On average, the Grand Bazaar sees between 250,000 and 400,000 visitors daily, making it one of the most visited tourist attractions in the world. These facts will make your video more engaging while showcasing the rich history and atmosphere of the Grand Bazaar.